In this video, I'll show you how to combine notification and quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy A17 phone. Suppose if I swipe down, you can see it's only showing my notification panel and then go back. But if I swipe from here, just place your finger here at the top and then swipe down. Now you can see control panel is showing. So if you want to combine these two options, just tap on this edit option, then go to panel settings. Now here you can see two options, separate and together. You have to just select together from here and then go back, then tap on done and then go back again and it's complete. Now just swipe down, place your finger on anywhere and that's it. You can see both are showing notification panel and control panel, and now it's combined mode. And that is how you can combine notification and quick settings panel in your Samsung Galaxy S17 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.